Stop spending time with people who don't make you feel good. Sounds obvious, right? But think about it. How many of us still do it? Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. Let me give you an example. I once had a friend who I kept meeting again and again, even though every conversation left me feeling smaller. You know that drained feeling? Like you suddenly doubt yourself, even though 5 minutes ago you were fine? And every time I tell myself, oh, maybe they didn't mean it. But guess what? The pattern never changed. So here's what I realized: stop giving second chances to people who never even gave you the first try. Stop recovering from conversations that made you feel small. Stop convincing yourself that they are not that bad when you always walk away feeling worse. Why are we giving VIP seats in our life to people who don't even deserve a guest pass? I remember once in my career, I kept chasing a so called mentor's approval. I would share ideas, ask for feedback, and every single time I left the room feeling more confused and less confident. It took me years to realize, hey, wait a minute. My energy is better spent with people who clap when I succeed, not those who secretly enjoy my self doubt. And the day I stopped seeking that approval, my confidence shot up. My work flourished because suddenly I wasn't carrying dead weight. So here's a quick exercise. Think of one person who drains you. Got their name? Okay. Now imagine you've got an iPhone with only 5% battery. Would you waste it scrolling nonsense? Or would you save it for an emergency call? Exactly. Your energy is the same. Save it for your real people. So here's the deal: find your people, the ones who make you laugh louder, dream bigger, and feel stronger. And when you find them, invest in them. Because life is too short to keep apologizing for someone else's bad behavior. Remember, you don't need more people around you. You need the right people around you. Now, I want you to write in the comments who's that one person who always makes you feel lighter after meeting them. Tag them, thank them, and keep them close because that's your tribe. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.